Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to always have their calendars full while others struggle to attract customers? The answer might lie in a powerful tool called Bookafy. Imagine you're a busy professional trying to schedule a meeting, a haircut, or even a yoga class. You want to find a time that works for both you and the service provider. It's a simple task, right? But it can be surprisingly frustrating, especially if you're dealing with multiple businesses that have outdated or inefficient booking systems. Introducing Bookafy. That's where Bookafy comes in. It's a comprehensive online booking platform designed to streamline the appointment scheduling process for both businesses and their customers. Think of it as your personal assistant for all things booking. Key features of Bookafy. Intuitive booking interface. Bookafy offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for customers to find available times and book appointments. Whether they're using a desktop computer, laptop, or smartphone, the process is seamless and intuitive. Customizable booking settings. Businesses can customize their booking settings to fit their specific needs. They can set their availability, define appointment durations, and even create different service categories. This flexibility ensures that Bookafy can accommodate a wide range of businesses, from salons and spas to doctors' offices and fitness studios. Online payments. Bookafy integrates with popular payment gateways, allowing customers to pay for their appointments online. This eliminates the need for manual payments and reduces the risk of no-shows. Automated reminders. Bookafy automatically sends email and SMS reminders to both businesses and customers, ensuring that appointments are not forgotten. This feature helps to improve appointment attendance and reduce cancellations. Detailed analytics. Businesses can track their performance using Bookafy's detailed analytics. They can see how many appointments have been booked, how many have been canceled, and what their busiest times are. This data can be used to make informed decisions about staffing, pricing, and marketing. Benefits for businesses. Increased efficiency. Bookafy can significantly reduce the time and effort required to manage appointments. By automating many of the administrative tasks, businesses can focus on providing excellent customer service. Improved customer satisfaction. Customers are more likely to be satisfied when they can easily book appointments and receive timely reminders. Bookafy can help businesses build a reputation for convenience and reliability. Increased revenue. By making it easier for customers to book appointments, Bookafy can help businesses increase their revenue. Additionally, the platform's online payment feature can reduce the number of no-shows and improve cash flow. Benefits for customers. Convenience. Bookafy makes it easy for customers to find available times and book appointments. They can do so from the comfort of their own homes or on the go. Time saving. Customers no longer have to spend time calling businesses to schedule appointments. Bookafy allows them to quickly and easily find a time that works for them. Reliability. Bookafy's automated reminders help to ensure that appointments are not forgotten, reducing the risk of missed appointments and inconvenience for both customers and businesses. Real-world examples. To illustrate the benefits of Bookafy, let's take a look at a few real-world examples. A busy salon. By using Bookafy, a salon can easily manage its appointments, reduce no-shows, and provide a better customer experience. A doctor's office. Bookafy can help a doctor's office streamline its appointment scheduling process, reduce wait times, and improve patient satisfaction. A fitness studio. A fitness studio can use Bookafy to offer online class bookings, manage memberships, and track attendance. Bookafy is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes improve their appointment scheduling process. By providing a user-friendly interface, customizable booking settings, and a range of other features, Bookafy makes it easy for businesses to attract and retain customers. If you're looking for a way to streamline your appointment scheduling process and improve your business, Bookafy is the solution. Visit our website to learn more and sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.